morning, everybody. How y'all feeling this morning? Because I know I'm feeling amazing, feeling grateful, feeling wonderful. So you see the bread now with me right now. I'm ready to go get her so I can take her to the store. She didn't take her to the store this morning. And we're gonna go as the day goes. Today's agenda, I don't know. We're supposed to be looking for apartments and doing the handcuff challenge. I don't know. We might do something else instead. I like to go with the flow, honestly. This is that we're going to go with the flow. So let's go get the bread. Hold up. Before you start recording.
I already started.
Oh, you is petty. Let me tell you.
So what are we doing?
Get my face. She has attached me to her. I gotta be stuck with her for the rest of the day now. I said, no, y'all, but we doing the, how many, we doing this 24 hours or we doing this just for the day? The camera on.
24 hours.
24 hours? Yeah. I gotta be attached to you for 24 hours?
Yes, lover.
I'm not happy about that.
Yes, lover.
I'm not happy about this.
The air is on. Stop, okay?
The camera on.
Oh, sorry, because I was trying to talk to her.
But now, y'all.
Diante, don't move.
But now, y'all, we doing a 24-hour handcuff challenge where we gotta be stuck together for 24 hours. Wherever I go, she gotta go. Wherever she go, I gotta go. Sadly, this gonna be a long day.
Can you put your arm there?
This is gonna be a long day because this is her idea for us to be stuck together. How you feel about it?
I'm okay for right now.
For right now. Alright, so y'all, the time is now 11:20 in the morning. So we gotta do this for the next 24 hours. So it means till tomorrow morning, 11:20. That's basically what you're telling me, right?
Kinda.
I don't agree to this. I just don't agree to this at all. Like, how I'm supposed to go? Why am I supposed to go? Not only that, so I ain't supposed to be going apartment shopping too today too. So not only we gotta do this, and we gotta go apartment shopping.
I just crawl over. You just gotta, cause we can't.
Crawl over?
Yes. This is too tight. Oh my god.
You did it. Nope. I'm not giving you. Nope.
He's right here.
Nope. Thank you. Thank you. Cause you ain't getting them, sis.
Diante.
Alright, I will run down. You're right. We need some fresh air.
We'll be back, guys, once we get to our destination.
Y'all help me, please. I don't want to do this. I just don't want to do this at all. Alright, y'all. We reached our first destination. Go look at this first apartment. Now, the process of us getting out is gonna. It's gonna be a problem.
Aubrey, just put it in the car.
You ready to get out?
Yeah, can you go? Cause it's hot. Hold on, cause Aubrey wanna get out first.
I don't know about you, but
Babe, go.
Push my car down. Push the. Come on.
Don't pull.
You pulling me? Come on, Goofy. Come on. I gotta get my phone. Oh my. Come on, Brielle.
Hello. Hello.
Hope y'all, we be right back.
I heard it.
I'm blaming you.
Looks like he got hurt too.
Why are you blaming me?
You wanna know why I blame you?
Swimming pool in the fitness center that you have access to. Also, you'll get an ID for that. What are you all looking to apply?
Probably later on in the day might apply for it.
Oh, you like it that much?
Yeah.
It's,
There's a $25 application fee per person.
okay.
So you need to get
Now go ahead. Hit the pump button. Go ahead, get back in.
Shut up.
Come on. Oh.
Oh.
Come on. Damn. Damn. That was a lot of work.
Fuck this.
No. Nope. Ain't none of that. Take the key out. Take the key out. I'm not playing with you. Y'all see how she tried to just quit just like that?
I tried to escape.
We made it.
That lady got on my nerves. Crush these.
Should have told subscribe to the channel. But that was stop one out of many stats. We gotta go and do this. Well,
Where's your phone?
my phone?
Yeah.
That's a good question. It's in my pocket.
Oh yeah.
Got peanut butter on. Peanut butter on my pants.
Come here.
Well, BS. Now we back. Right back. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, fine. I guess I gotta make you come on. See, that's what I gotta go through. Come on.
Ouch!
Come on.
Diante.
Come on. Yes. Come on. Come on. Almost there. Come on. You made it. Come on, Brielle. He need to get that together. Come on, watch out.
What you doing?
Oh. Is this your car?
You got your keys?
Yeah, I got my keys. I'm gonna call. I'm doing that. Go ahead. So yeah,
Diante, you hurting my arm. Look at it turning red. You know how I'm. You don't turn red. You don't have these problems.
Why are you so angry though?
And my shoe need to be tied.
Alright, hold on. Nah, I can do that.
No.
Okay. There you go. Yes. Your shoes don't need to be tied.
That one better come on tied.
She'll be fine. Come on.
That shoe, please. Oh my god.
Uh-huh.
Shut up.
You ready? Yeah. Alright, y'all. So we actually just finished looking upon this. We couldn't find anything, so we're going to stick with our other plan and just do what we was going to do before. We're going to do what we did before and doing like that. But we ready to go in the shop, right? We're ready to go in the market in front of a whole lot of people and do it like that. But it's alright though. She'll be fine. You alright over there? There?
Over Evita Street.
Well, I guess not. Woo! Got the phone. I guess she'll be fine.
Go ahead.
Bye, she'll be right back. This is why we don't come to the market. Because we supposed to leave with one thing, we leave with multiple things every time. Us guys come to the market with you. We see, yo, I swear, every time we come to the market, right, we either, oh yeah, we coming in for one thing. We supposed to, yeah, we did get, we got some new Cold Wars. Oh my God, this things are good. But listen, right, we was only supposed to get one thing. We left with two.
First of all,
well, I'm sorry, we left with like 8. Look, I brought stuff for everybody. Like God, yeah, literally. We'll have some pizza. Well, yeah. And pet fruit salad gives me enough pet. Then and we still doing the challenge at that. People was looking at us like we was fucking convicted felons or some shit. They looking at us like, what the fuck they got handcuffs on for? They didn't know, but I guess it's in the camera too. So I mean, I don't know. Whatever, however. But this, and the crazy thing is, here's the hard part. Who gonna carry all these bags and stuff in the house and in the car? So I'll tell you what I'm ready to do. Hey, pop this trunk.
babe.
Sorry. Wait, pop
You don't
this.
need to put it in the trunk. I'm getting my snacks out of there because I'm eating them.
Alright, greedy, go ahead.
Like,
You want to score what is it?
yeah, I'm getting all of it. I don't know about you, but
Look at this. No.
what you have? I gotta put her in the car first.
I know. Yo, watch how difficult this raid be for her to put this little girl in the car. Hop up there. Go ahead. Mind you, everywhere we go, I gotta come along, sadly. What the hell is that?
Granola.
I mean, look at this. Gotta pull my arm. So many notes of disrespect. And we just saw it, what, like 3 hours ago?
Yeah, 11. So.
Yeah, 11. It's almost 1. Yeah.
How are we gonna leave them?
I just get in the bed.
How do we take these pants and shoes?
You can take pants, shoes off, like nothing. So we're highlights. Oh my gosh, we'll see we get back in the house because we gotta get in the car. So give me 1 second. All right, y'all. As you can see, we made it back in the house, and yeah. So
Hey, where are my snacks? My bars, granola bars.
right there in front of you.
Oh. I thought it was in bed. Yeah, I see one.
Same. You did it?
Yeah.
I
Okay.
gotta take this bag too.
Okay. How that's gonna work?
I don't know. We make anything else for it.
Diante.
You gotta go to the red, alright?
No.
Alright. Joe, we ready to watch a movie. It is now. Hold up. It is now 2:48. I don't know if it's clear on screen now, but it's 2:48. We got another 5 hours
Oh.
to do this. 'Cause
Alright.
like I said, since they not saying night, we're doing this just for the day. So, yeah, we just ready to chill and watch a movie until later on. So we'll be right back with y'all. That's how I feel. I feel like we're being dragged. I almost fell on stairs thanks to her. Oh my gosh. You got no juices?
Yes.
This is a lot of work just to move back and forth. So everything.
We're not doing this again.
Yes, we are.
No, we're not.
Alright, I'm on. We're not doing this again. Can you?
Diante.
Okay.
Look.
They'll come all the way downstairs. Nothing.
Yeah, that's Bubba. Baby Bubba.
I'm sorry.
Mommy.
It's a lot of work. Look at. No. None of that.
Baby, I just
No.
want one.
No. No.
Put it in the freezer or refrigerator.
What you want? Girl!
Come on.
Mommy. That's orange.
Girl, it's not even that fascinating. Keep pushing. Go ahead. You ain't getting none of them. They off limits. So go ahead and walk. I don't care. You may all you want.
No, mommy, I don't want
Pizza, don't rub my stomach like that.
Go ahead.
No, mommy.
Big, she still got a pizza in her.
She said she wanted something to give it to her now.
I just was trying to make it now.
I am gonna make it now. You put it in the microwave. Stop! Alright, now if I would have followed the steps, if I would have followed these steps, I'd have kicked you back down. But I know, that's the bad part about it. I'd have came along right along with you. Y'all, we be right back, because she keep dragging me everywhere, so.
No, we'll put
Alright,
that
y'all. We've been doing this for how long now? About 7 hours straight. What time is it? It is 6:22.
Why?
She gotta last 2 more hours. Well, we gotta last 2 more.
Diante, why?
We gotta last 2 more hours. And she keep asking me why. Stop asking me why.
Why?
Get out my face.
Why? Diante.
You been begging me to take it off.
I want to take the picture.
Why?
I want to take the picture.
Why? Get off my neck. Get her. So you can last these last 2 hours?
Why?
I'm not taking it off. Last these last 2 hours.
Why?
Hey.
Why?
I love you. I love you.
Diante,
We're not doing
why?
What?
Why?
I ain't never ever heard you talk like that before. Why you acting like that?
because I want you to take it off.
Nope. This is your idea, so now you gonna get it done.
Diante,
I don't care.
why?
Have you mean it? Y'all, we don't watch one whole movie. We had changed a dirty diaper together, which was terrible, by the way. What else we did that?
Pee.
She went to the bathroom.
I climbed up the car 5 times.
She climbed the car a lot of times, which was funny, by the way. And give me my hat. And stop. And to top it off, we couldn't even take a nap. I tried to take a nap, she won't let me. She keep trying to break free. Stop trying to break free. Okay? This has been a fun challenge, but it ain't happening for me. I just can't be bounded by somebody you love for 24 hours. This is terrible. I don't see how everybody else would do it. Yeah. It ain't meant for everybody. It literally ain't. But we be
Meant for you because you're doing it, so shut up.
I'm only doing it because you forced me to do it.
I don't care.
You're forcing me to do it. You're forcing me. You're forcing me.
I don't care.
What you hit me for?
So stop complaining.
Because you're forcing me.
I don't care.
But it's by force though.
I'm not watching you.
Mean so. Stop being mean. Tell mom to stop being mean. Y'all see that? Abuse.
Diante, don't watch.
But there. We'll be back in like 2 hours. If she can last. Alright y'all, the time has finally come to set this one free because she is dying to get free. We survived this for 10 hours. We was handcuffed for 10 hours today. Are you ready to be set free?
Yeah.
She couldn't do it no more. Alright. Let's go ahead and set you free. Well, y'all give me 1 second while I set us free real quick. Let me get right back with y'all. Did you enjoy doing this challenge?
No.
It was your idea.
I don't care.
But it was your idea for us to do this.
I don't care.
It's Wilson Pink.
Why you so mean? Why you so mean? What's your problem?
Diante's white.
I guess you're not going through this one. I can't stand Gemini's now. But y'all, that's the end of this challenge. We've been doing this for 10 hours. My day anniversary. For me and Handcuff on this damn moment all day. If y'all like this video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to ring that bell, become the post notifications. And don't forget to share this video too. We love y'all, Andy gang. We appreciate y'all as always. We will see y'all next time for the next video. And of course, the next challenge / prank video that we got coming. Babe, come here. Say bye, Aubrey.
Bye.
Your turn. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Diante, I said it.
Alright, y'all. Peace.